without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me, only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind, you know, you ain't never lied. Fact is you're one of one yourself, cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time, cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so if you guys have been watching me for a while, then you know your girl loves Megalook hair. So shout out to Megalook for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Shout out to you, boo, for this unit, honey, because this unit is unit-ing, okay? Is that even a word? Yeah. Our girl is unit-ing, okay? She's unit-ing, okay, girl? So, with this unit, the unit that they sent me is their 30-inch loose wave wig. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the site and give you guys some more details and specs about this unit. Okay, so on their site, it says Super Deal Megalook 30-inch, 36-inch long, 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, pre-plucked, natural hairline, breathable, airy cap, human hair wig. So it says this unit comes in, like, y'all, get the lengths that this wig come in. 16, 30, and 36 inches. Like, how you go from 16 to 36 like that? But girl, word. It comes in body wave, straight, loose, deep curly, loose wave, water wave, deep wave, jerry curly, and kinky straight. So you can get it in all of those different textures. It says it's 100% human hair from one donor. It's 180% density, y'all. I'm shook at that because I just knew this hair was every bit of 200 and up. Like, I'm not gonna hold you. The lace is 13x4 HD lace wig. It's pre-plucked natural hairline. It has a total of 2 combs in it. It's an average cap size, and yeah, that is pretty much it for all of the things, girl. They sent me 30 inches and they asked me if I wanted water wave or loose wave. And you guys know I love a good water wave, but to me, water wave is more of my summer preference than anything. Like, I love water wave. It's super lightweight. It does all the things for vacation hair, but I really prefer it during the spring and summertime. It's just like one of my spring and summertime wigs. So I was like, you can send me loose wave, girl. And I knew I was getting 30 inches, but this is a lot of hair. Like, y'all, look at this hair. This is a lot of hair, and it may not look as much as it does to me, but it's a lot of hair, honey. As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I did not get any of the tings. That's straight out of the packaging, and really, I just finger combed this hair. I didn't want to curl it. I did not want to alter its natural state too much because I felt like these waves were waving. Okay, I initially thought I was going to curl it, but honey, the way these waves are set up, I didn't have to do any of the things. As far as like even just running my fingers through it is really, really easy. I'm not catching any snags straight out of the packaging. Once again, that's not to say a girl won't do any of the things at some point. Like, it's 30 inches. It's heavy hair. It's loose wave. I expected to do it at some point. It's just a straight up action. Old girls doing other things. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is extremely big head friendly. I feel like Megalook does kind of target more medium to large head than small to medium head. So girl, do with that what you want to do with it. But it does have that elastic band in it, so I think you can make it work across the board if you wanted to. But in my opinion, it's more so medium to large head friendly than not. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. Yeah, I think that is pretty much it. Now, I do want to go ahead and mention, like, to me, this lace is lacing. Now, I do tend to have a bit of a struggle with Megalook's wigs sometimes with the lace, because they do tend to give me a little more than what my head is heading. I know that don't make no sense, but sometimes the lace does bunch up right here in this general area. It's not really doing it on this one. It's more so doing it on the side than in the right in the front. But it's not a big deal to me. I just really need to stretch it out more, have somebody help me pull girl on my head so it don't be so lumpy and bumpy, because your girl's not a beautician, girl, okay? That is not her trade. So yeah, that is that on that. Like, it did come pre-tweezed in my opinion. Y'all can let me know what y'all think down below. It did come as a middle part. I did not want to do a middle part. You guys know I am on this curved C part thing these days with my little baby hair. I did add an extra one over here because lately I've been just doing it one, but I did add an extra one on the side. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons, well, it's full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. So my con with this unit is going to be that it's a 13x4. You guys already probably knew that when I said that this unit was 13x4. You knew that was going to be my con, so we can move right along, girl. Moving along. My pros are, y'all, this hair is everything. I done told my man, like at work, like, honey, you taking me somewhere tonight. I know it's raining. I know all this stuff is going on, but your girl feeling hot, okay? She's feeling hot. It's Friday. The kids are going with their other parents. Child, let's get in these scorettes, okay? That's how I felt. So I love this hair. I love the texture. I love how, like, literally it's super thick. Once again, I thought it was gonna be like over 200% density, but they say it's not. So honey, I'm gonna take you for your word, but it feels thicker than a snicker. It's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, and you know that's thick. So old girl is coming through with the come through. I love the style that I did with this unit. I love the hairline. I love the lace. I love all the things. So those are my pros. Child, obviously I would recommend this wig. Did you not hear I told my man at work, you're taking me out tonight. You're taking me out here in these scorettes tonight in the rain. You know how good you gotta feel you look as a black woman to tell your man to take you out in the rain, girl. Like, you really feeling yourself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. So yes, I would recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think down below in the comments. Let me know if you think it's a vibe, it's a look. Let me know all the things sound off down below. Once again, shout out to you, Megalook, for always coming through with the come through. You never disappoint, baby. You never disappoint. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media accounts, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. You'll see me on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter.